Welcome to the kitchen, guys, where today we are going to be attempting to cook a tiny hamburger. So we have our bun with cheese, that's shaved parmesan to be precise, some tomato and some meat. In the fridge here we have a bit of tomato sauce. This here is what we'll be using to cook today. It's our PSP that has a short circuit on that chip. I didn't know what else to do with it. So let's preheat the grill. Ready to roll. We'll put some butter on there to make it non-stick, hopefully, and see that we're getting up to temperature. So far so good. We'll start with our tiny little meat patty. And look at that. Time for a flip, see how she's looking. It's been a minute. That other side nice and brown too. We'll use our definitely food safe grade spatula. There we go. And again. Alright, meat's done. We'll put it to the side for now to rest, and we'll sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, a bit of seasoning. Yes, did miss it. Let's roll it around in it. Flavour, that's what you want. Beautiful. Alright, now we're going to make this Australian style, so we're going to put an egg on it. So that's some egg coming out the old syringe there. No egg's complete without a bit of yolk. So let's get some of that popping in too. There we go. Beautiful. Little baby egg. Let's see if that's all ready to go. Nice sunny side up egg. A little bit difficult since I went over the hot plate a bit. Yeah, that's alright. She'll be right. She'll be right. Let's get it over to the bench and try and assemble this bun first, which is really just bread crust. Get our sauce, tomato. Don't mind a bit of barbecue either, but we'll use tomato today. Spatula it on. Nice even layer. Follow it up with some meat. Nice and brown. Seasoned perfectly. Delicious. Let's get that shaved parmesan. Nice serving of shaved parmesan on there. Lovely. Time for some egg, I think. There it is. Get off. Get off. And a tiny pathetic piece of tomato. I would put some greenery on there, but I ran out. So we'll just stick with this. And the roof. Look at that. Hamburger fit for a mouse. There you go. There you have it. It was an interesting little experiment, but I want to go bigger. So let's give it a whirl. Let's see if we can make a bigger burger. I'm going to check this one out under the microscope so you get a better view. Start with butter again. Make that non-stick. We're going to put a bigger piece of meat on this time. Not too big, we still need it to be within the realm of the cooking utensil. You can genuinely hear it sizzle on there. That is amazing. I think we're looking good. 3 minutes on, look at the colour difference. Scrumptious. Let's try another reggie. So you can see that. The PSP is definitely looking like a used barbecue at your local park. Crusty bits of food everywhere now. That's fine. Piece of shit didn't work anyway. Of course, we'll follow it up with our yolk. This isn't going to take as long as that meat patty. But again, we're going for a beautiful sunny side up egg. And I have missed the hot plate a bit there. Made for a rough transition off. It's a little bit scrambled, that one. A little bit scrambled. Nevertheless, look at the difference in colour. It works. It absolutely works. Look at that. You're not going to find that at your local Mickey D's, I'll tell you that much. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, it's possible. You've got a PSP with a short circuit and you want to make food for ants, go for it. Plug it into power and go for it. It's just that easy. Alright, a little bit different, a little bit fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.